Hello guys, once again, my name is Ndubele Batele. If it's your first time on this channel, thanks for coming through. Hopefully you're gonna like what you see and you are gonna subscribe. And to all my subscribers, I just wanna say thank you so much. Our channel is growing slowly and we are actually on our way to 100 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you so much for your support. Please continue to support so that you can help in actually growing the channel. Okay. So today I just want to talk about this new app that I actually discovered. This is the app that's actually going to change the game in shopping because it will help you in actually saving a lot of money if you're a person that likes to do shopping, especially if you're a person that likes to do shopping online, which is a basically new way of shopping these days. Shopping online is very easy because you just go online, you select what you like, you do an online payment, next thing your order is delivered. But this game is actually gonna enhance and basically change the game in everything in your shopping, and most of all, it's gonna help you save money. The name of this app is called Karma. That's the name of this app. This app is available on the Google Store. You can just go and download it, and then you just register on it. You need to register, and then after that, then you are able to use it. How this app works is there are a lot of shopping websites online, and it's actually compatible with a lot of websites online. So if the website is compatible with Karma and you are basically shopping on that website, what you can do is if you see an item that you like, you can basically take that item and save it on Karma. And what's going to happen is every time that item goes on sale or it has a price drop, immediately Karma will notify you that the item that you're interested in on a certain site is actually gone on sale, and then you can make your decision there whether you want to buy it or you don't want to buy it. So stick around so that I can show you how this app works. Okay guys, I'm actually on the app. I'm actually on my phone right now, as you can see. This is the Karma icon here. This is how it looks after you've installed it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to a store that is one of the stores that are compatible with Karma. Let me see where I can go. Okay, I'm gonna go to Takealot. I'm gonna try Takealot. Alright, as you can see, there's so many things on Takealot. Okay, since it's December time already, Oh, December time is coming. It's time for prize and everything. I'm just gonna try and add this thing here. What it's called? It's a Weber compact charcoal kettle griller. I think that's what it is. Let me go on it. This is on Takealot, by the way. This is Takealot. All right. See, Takealot now it's got this option, the share option here. There's a share option here, as you can see. I'm sure everybody knows what the share button looks like these days. So I'm just gonna press on it. So I'm actually adding this item to Karma. I want to save it to Karma. All right, as you can see, the Karma is applying. I mean, it's appearing. So I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna select Karma. Okay, you saw that message. That message is actually telling you that the item has been saved on Karma. So let me go now to see if my item is actually saved on Karma. All right, let me go back to Karma. Okay, it's pretty loading a bit slow here. It's loading a bit slow, so please just be patient. All right, so this is the environment of Karma. So in order to see my items, I have to go here in the bottom here where it says my item. If you look at the bottom, there's my item as a second icon here in the bottom. So I'm gonna select that part and check my item if it's there. Okay. Oh, there we go. As you can see, there it is. Right now it's on sale. It was on sale on Takealot. It was on sale. So if this item here goes on a price drop, Karma will notify me. As you can see, there are 10 notifications already of things that actually went on sale. So as you can see, guys, I'll put this thing here. So these here are all my items. These are all my saved items here, as you can see. Okay, all right, okay. Yeah, okay. So as you can see, let's say I want to buy now. I want to buy this. So if I want to buy, I'm interested in buying, I'm gonna click on it. Okay, it's loading. So if you click on it, it will take you to that website, whatever website you are interested in. It will take you to that website. And then from that website, then you can buy your item. As you can see here, I can proceed and buy. So in order to be able to buy online, you know that you have to register your credit card details and all of that stuff. So don't be scared of these things. It's just that you have to be very careful when paying for things online. You have to verify your things. Like Takealot is a well-trusted brand. There are dodgy websites online. I wouldn't recommend you to go for that. I'd recommend you to go for well-reputable websites or shops, basically online shops. So that's it. So that's it for that. Okay, I've actually locked my phone now. I have to open it again. God. So when you open this app, basically it takes you to your home page, and then on top it has websites. I think these are websites that a lot of people go to, because this is an international website. It's not a South African website, it's actually international. Probably this is a list of maybe people who most of the people are interested in, a list of websites, but I'm not gonna go to these websites at the moment. As you can see, some pretty cool brands are listed here. But at the bottom here, it actually shows me the pages that I go to. I usually go to, as you can see, I go to Paperless, Takealot, H&M, I got Zara, I got Canva, I got Woolworths. I don't know how Chanel and Fendi landed here. I was probably just looking. I don't know how they landed here. Then you can change the view when you press on see all. You can change the view of everything. You can see Woolworths. It's also even compatible with Woolworths as well, as you can see. And then most importantly is notifications. Now, what is actually on offer, what is being discovered, what's actually is on sale that you can possibly buy. Right now it's showing me 2 items, but if you say show more, if you go here, it'll show you a list, a pretty long list, as you can see. This is a very nice sneaker here, this Nike sneaker. Let me see if this stock is available. Okay, let me see. There it is. Wow, my size is available there. If depending what size you want, you must look at all the sizes that are available. I'm size 8, so basically it's this sneaker here is basically available for me to buy. So you just need to another thing is you need to register your payment details on whatever website you want to buy from. It's very important. These are all my things. Let me not show you all my things so that you don't copy my style. I'm joking. You can copy my style and copy whatever. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to show you the good stuff. Okay. Because I love you guys. So yes, guys, that's about it about the app, which is called Karma. This app is a definite game changer. So hopefully you like this video that I actually showed you. Hopefully it was beneficial to you, and you guys are gonna start using the app, and I'm sure you're gonna save a lot of money and whatever. I'm sure it's gonna help a lot of people. Probably people are gonna look more stylish now. They're gonna have more things in their houses. They're gonna have more food and whatever, because they are using Karma. So if you are still watching at this time, guys, just want to say thank you very much for sticking around and watching the video. If you like the video, please like and comment, and please help me grow the channel by subscribing so that you can get notifications in the future of any new video content or new videos that I've uploaded on the channel. So if you subscribe, that will help the channel big time. But please also comment and also like. Thank you so much to the clan. Peace out.